We just WD-40'd the brake, it's sticking on. Oh no. Basically walking. Never good, is it? On a trial. Here we are then. My first trial with Toby. Oh, he's just dabbed a foot. We got our bikes. Toby traded his girlfriend's car for his. For some context, Toby got his trials bike through a hell of a deal, trading cars and being a good salesman. So I ended up finding this gas on Facebook Marketplace for 900 quid, and I snapped at the chance and went and got it. And we're here at this trial with no idea what we're doing. Here he is, his reaction to the first one. How was it?
I didn't dab! What?
Hey, you didn't dab?
I nearly did.
I thought you did, yeah.
Yeah, I nearly did.
Look at this rig.
Oh,
pretty cool, eh?
Sick. I was so nervous.
It's the second section of the day. Again, very hard. Just didn't have the momentum in there. Thinking about going second gear. I think I'm going to go first because I'm just scared, and you can always get out of something in first. I think we no dab that. Excellent news. Dude, this thing's winding me right up. Winding me right up. I think he's just super dry in there. We just WD-40'd the brake, it's sticking on. Great idea, isn't it?
Yeah.
Great idea. That is what they say, isn't it?
Just make the disc nice and slippery.
Yeah, lube your brakes.
Yeah.
Have you lubed your brakes today?
It's a shame that your fork on this
side
wasn't leaking.
Yeah.
And it would lube your brakes up nicely there. But, you know, you can't win it all.
No, you can't. 900 quid bikes, eh? Second lap, we've sprayed WD-40 on my brake. See if I do any better. One dab. Into section 2. I can do this one with the front brake this time. I did it without last time, but it kept sticking, so. One foot dab as I come out of the stream there. Just a little wheelie, a bit too much. Here we are, section 2. I'm going to go for second gear this time. Who knows, that's a good idea, not me. Second gear! Second gear is fantastic!
Bloody bad.
Got to come up this little valley, little stream, well hard, you clip both foot pegs. It's not gone well. I reckon you might have dabbed like 60, 70 times. Into the gully of rocks. Lovely berm. Oh! Up the slippery route. Oh, he's done it. Yeah, boy! This one's like a big rock garden up a stream. It's actually really fun. It's not too slow, you can get a bit of pace, which is better for us mountain bikers, I tell you. Do I get extra points for that? Yeah. Oh, less points, sorry. Right, we're in. Last one for us. Up the wall of death, they call it. Oh, he's jumped it. That's us, we made it. You've completed your first trial. Oh, yeah. So if you look at trials bikes on Facebook Marketplace and you think, is that worth it for 900 quid? Yes, absolutely. And if you're a mountain biker, then it's not too bad to swap over. It's very bit slow, but it's lovely in the winter, I tell you. Get one and we'll see you out here. See ya!